nice. A lot of fast fashion. I'm not the biggest fan of that. And as soon as I say that, you're gonna see this jacket and be like, baby, that's fast fashion. But I know I will have this in my closet for a very long time. We're not gonna talk about her, okay? We're not gonna talk about her. If you talk about her in the comments, I will ignore you. Hi. So real quick, I'm Janine. Hello. I'm a business owner, a mom of two. She's in her postpartum era, okay? And we're going to figure this out together. So calling all moms, okay? Young ones, middle-aged ones, I don't care. If you're in your postpartum, I hope that I create content that motivates you and inspires you to simply take care of yourself, mamas. Get up, get dressed, take care of yourself. I do fitness, I do fashion. Not today. Clearly, it was school drop-off and I have tinted windows. Oh no, we're about to fall. Don't you do it. I'm trying this new like sticky back on my phone. Sticky back wear. Anywho, and a content creator. So, she has arrived. Let me see if I can cover my address. So this is something I have wanted. I feel like my address is still showing. I feel like y'all are like, yep, you live here. I really just wanted to share this. Honestly, I have been stalking this jacket from Zara. To know me is to know I do enjoy shopping at Zara. They have a lot of different ways. I guess a lot of, what am I trying to say? Whatever your style is, I feel like you can find something that resonates with you at Zara. So that's nice. A lot of fast fashion. I'm not the biggest fan of that. And as soon as I say that, you're gonna see this jacket and be like, baby, that's fast fashion. But I know I will have this in my closet for a very long time. We're not gonna talk about her, okay? We're not gonna talk about her. If you talk about her in the comments, I will ignore you. So I want to show you guys. Hold please. So I got a little hot booty and already ripped the little thingy off and the paper, and when I saw it I was like, oh, I have got to get my camera. So it's a leather jacket for the fall and winter. I need another jacket, like I need another hole in my head. You don't see the first hole there, but if you take a good look, I have 9. So I don't need any more. So yeah, this is how I'm just gonna drop it. We're just gonna. First of all, y'all, I was like, when the box came, I'm gonna try this jacket on so you'll see what I'm saying. When the box came, I was like, there's no way a large jacket is in this. And then I opened it and was like, okay, yeah. I see what they did there. So, this is her. This sucker keeps selling out online. I think it's a dupe for, what brand? I think it's YSL. It's the YSL. I should not, first of all, I'm not doing this jacket any service by standing here in my school drop-off Stranger Things. We're in the upside down. Hoodie. And like just putting me out. Like I could have just combed my hair a little bit or something, but whatever. It's not about me right now. It's about the jacket, right? About the jacket. So, I am so excited. First, my favorite way to wear my jackets is probably to start it off kind of like this. Oh my God. This is, I cannot wait to style this. This is cute. This is cute. I'm going to eat this alive. The biggest thing was I could not figure out my sizing. We are in our postpartum, babes. So we all know I'm on my journey back to the closet. I'm on a journey back to my clothes that are in here that do not fit me, but we're going to get back to you girls. So in the meantime, I do, and I know you and my postpartum baddies are with me when I say I struggle with what size will I be on this fitness journey? So I'm learning to just get the size that you wear now. Just do the best you can. And so I really struggled with what size to get. I was like, do I get a medium? Do I get a large? Everyone kept saying it's so oversized. Everyone keeps saying, oh, it's so oversized. So let me tell y'all what keeps happening to me. I'll hold up a pair of pants and be like, oh, these are massive. Oh yeah, I don't think these would fit me. And I can barely button them. I go to put them on and I can barely button them. So my eye is not in tuned to the size of my body. So I was like, you know what? We're getting a large. I didn't think an extra large was necessary. I'm already like 5 pounds down. I know. Stop it. I know. But oh, this is delicious. Like, this is delicious. Let me show you guys the back. This is sure that you can fold it. Yeah, you can fold that down and not give it so much dramaticism. But like, oh my goodness. And then when you like go to zip and button, I'm not going to do all this because we'll style this sucker. Ooh, y'all in trouble. Woo, y'all are in trouble when I style this. I don't even want my man to stand next to me. Don't talk to me. I'm busy in my fashion, okay? Okay. But yeah, this is her. Like I said, from Zara. I did get the large. I didn't think the extra large was necessary, and I'm actually kind of glad that this is where I landed. I'm glad I didn't get the medium for the girl in me that wants to get back to my closet, and I'm glad I didn't get the extra large because I owe myself that proud pat on the back because we are losing that postpartum weight, and this is like a little gift to myself, and I'm just, yes. So anybody that's watching this, if you are on your postpartum journey, whether it be wellness, fitness, just really trying to hold it together and navigate multiple kids or just the one you have, I stand with you in solidarity. I get it. I am with you. I am here with you. It is not always sunshine and rainbows, and some days it's sunshine and rainbows. So we take the good with the bad because God said he can't grow flowers without rain. So take your rainy days, kids. Take your rainy days. So anywho, I hope that I am here doing what God intended for me to do, to motivate you moms to simply get up and look out for yourself, okay? So until next time, I'm gonna go. I'm probably not gonna take this jacket off for just a second. I'm probably gonna walk around the house with it. I have to go. What do I have to go do? Postpartum brain. I gotta go set up some tours for some schools for my daughter. And I'm not gonna lie, every phone call, I'm probably gonna do it in this jacket. I don't know why, because girl, you at the house in a sweatshirt. So that's it. I'm probably gonna wear it for just a little bit and then take it back off and put it on a hanger and just watch her for a little while and be on the lookout because I'm gonna style her. Oh, she's getting styled. Love her. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, bye mamas. Okay, we're off to go tour some schools today for my little one. And so I wanted to show you guys the jacket, okay? Remember we tried on this beautiful jacket. I think it's a YSL Dupe. And Mama got her hands on it. It is the perfect temperature outside. So I'm going to wear it today. Like, she is absolutely too cute. I don't know if I should do the sweater with these jeans. Like, I am losing inches, which is great. We're happy about that. But it is also causing an interesting amount of bunching in the front. So I don't know. Do I give these jeans up or do I just keep pressing on? But yeah, top is from Zara. Jeans are American Eagle, their curve collection. Get into it. Unf-wittable. And jacket from Zara. Like, y'all, I could just button it here and just wear it. They're like, who's this cool mom? When I come up to the school, I should put some nails on. That would have did the trick. But yeah, and I'm just wearing my Sambas because we have a lot of walking to do. We're going to tour a couple of schools today. Wish us luck.